day today?
Oh my god, I don't know even.
No, just what we will do today?
Today we would be shooting near the sea.
Last day of shooting, just скажи.
It is almost the last day of the shooting. We are keeping one extra day as a backup because keeping in mind the conditions, we will just try to finish the shoot today and relax for tomorrow. So we'll have seaside shoot and poolside. All this will be happening today.
Это календар, да, шут?
Yeah.
Скажи.
So it is for Black Magik Calendar. We are shooting at a beautiful location in Dubai. So we have taken a resourceful where we are living, shooting, and it's early morning now here, around 6:30. So we're just going to shoot. We need to walk for almost how much? I think for 20 minutes we need to walk to reach the location. Walking at sand is a little difficult, but fine. What to do?
Новый
Finding my
этапчик.
topchick. Yeah.
Все, спасибо.